Learn how to make money online with these tips. You can make money online if you're able to learn a few things about it first. You may be someone that needs a job, or you could just be looking to supplement your income. Whatever the case may be, you should take your time to go through all of this. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Writers may find that EvoBarrel or Squidoo's revenue sharing system is a good fit for them. These sites let you choose topics to write about, and some of the income from visitors goes to you. This will allow you to have fun while you are working. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Be prepared to verify who you are if you plan to make cash online. Just like you need to give this information to workplaces you walk into in person to work at, you'll need to do the same online. If you don't have digital copies of your ID now, get them prior to applying and make the process a lot easier. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Now it's probably clear to you that you can work online and make money if you're able to follow the guidelines you just read. It's something you're going to have to take your time on, but in the end things should go well for you. Hopefully you are able to make some money now. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.